Hello everyone, welcome to another study point. তা আজি আমি ক্লাছ 9 ছ'চিয়েল ছায়েন্সৰ জিঅ'গ্ৰাফী পাৰ্ট চেপ্টাৰ 3 জিঅ'গ্ৰাফী অফ ইণ্ডিয়া সেই চেপ্টাৰৰ কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 10ৰ পৰা 15 লৈকে লৈ আনিছোঁ। এতিয়া ভিডিঅ'টো ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰাৰ আগতে মই সকলোকে ক'ব বিচাৰিছোঁ যে মোৰ চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব। নম্বৰ 10 মেনশ্যন দ্য কেৰেক্টাৰিষ্টিক্স অফ দ্য কোষ্টেল ৰিজন অফ ইণ্ডিয়া। The coastal region of India act as the eastern and western boundary of the country along the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea respectively. Its height between 30 meter and 50 meter from the mean sea level. The coastal region is narrow and long and can be divided into eastern and western coastal region. The eastern coastal plain is situated between the Eastern Ghat and the Bay of Bengal, extended from the mouth of the Ganges to the Cape Comorin and is about 1100 km long and 120 km wide. The northern coast of East Coast is also known as Northern Circus, and the southern part is known as the Coromandel Coast. The western coast plain is situated between the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghat, extending from the Gulf of Combe in the north to the Cape Comorin in the south. It is about 1500 km and the wide range from 10 to 15 km. The southern part of the western coast is known as Konkon and the southern part is known as the Malabar Coast. The island group are also an important part of the coastal area of the country. The Andaman and Nicobar Island in the Bay of Bengal and the Lakshadweep Island in the Arabian Sea are two island group. Number 11. Write down the characteristics of the climate of India. India's climate is characterized by regional variation in major climatic elements like temperature, wind, atmospheric pressure, and humidity. These variations depend on factors such as the vastness of the country, distance from the equator, varied physiography, differences in evolution, distance from the sea, and the impact of the monsoon. The Tropic of Cancer divides the country into a northern temperature climatic zone and a southern tropical climatic zone, making the southern part relatively warmer. The high Himalayas protect northern India from cold northern winds. The nearest to the sea cause the climate of coastal places to be moderate. The impact of monsoon on the Indian climate is also significant. Number 12. Write a note on the impact of monsoon in India. The impact of monsoon on the Indian climate is significant. Monsoon have a direct impact on Indians' agriculture as the rainfall they bring help crops grow well and increase crop production. Southeast monsoon. These blow during summer entering India from the Arabian Sea. They carried enormous moisture causing heavy rainfall of more than 300 cm annually on the western coast. After crossing the Western Ghat, this wind flow over the Bay of Bengal pick up more moisture and advance toward Assam and the northeast, causing high rainfall. The Cherrapunji area receive about 1 to 50 cm of rainfall annually. Northeast monsoon. These blow during winter from Central Asia. This wind is generally dry, but when it flow over the Bay of Bengal, it carries some moisture. The moisture carrying wind get obstructed by the Eastern Ghat, causing rainfall on the east coast, especially along the Coromandel coast. 13. Outline the pattern of rainfall distribution in India. In India, the distribution of rainfall is not uniform over all the place. The southwest monsoon causes more rainfall. The average rainfall in the area like Himalayan foothill of north-eastern region, southern part of the Meghalaya plateau, and western slope of the Western Ghat. The highest rainfall take place in the outer Himalaya range of Arunachal Pradesh, about more than 400 cm of average rainfall. On the other hand, third desert of Rajasthan receive about 50 cm average rainfall. The northern and western part of Deccan Plateau and area around Gujarat also receive less rainfall, around 50 cm to 100 cm rainfall of medium range between 100 cm and 200 cm occur in the area of the northern plain including Brahmaputra plain. Number 14. Write about the type of the vegetations of India. Natural vegetations donate the plant community which grow naturally without the help of human being and had been left undistributed away from the human for a long time. Cultivated crops and fruits form a part of the vegetation but are not referred to as natural vegetation. There are different types of climate in different physiographic environment over the surface of the earth. Such differences in the climate cause variation in soil type. Again, different soil types support different types of vegetation. So it is can be said that the type of vegetation, their growth and distribution mainly depend on climate, physiographic and soil. Types of physiographic elements and soil differ from place to place in India. So also the type of distribution of vegetation vary within the country. The vegetation of the country can be broadly classified into 6 types. Number 1, evergreen vegetation. 2, monsoonal vegetation. 3, dry thorny vegetation. 4, grassland vegetation. 5, mangrove vegetation. 6, mountain vegetation. Next, number 15. What are the characteristics of the evergreen vegetation of India? Characteristics of the evergreen vegetation in India. These vegetation are found in the regions like western slope of Western Ghat, Himalayan foothills of Arunachal Pradesh, Upper Assam region, and the hills of Manipur and Mizoram and Andaman Island, which have annual rainfall of more than 200 centimeter and temperature between 25 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Tall and big tree like cane, bamboo, fern, and creepers of various kind are found here. The tree do not shed their leaves in any season of the year. Valuable tree like sesame, sandal, rubber, etc. They form a thick forest. बाकी क्वेश्चंसবোৰ नेक्स्ट ভিডিঅ'ত জানিম। ধন্যবাদ।